Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the AUX AC remote control. This remote also fits to some models of refill: Pioneer, Senville, DuctlessAire, Fujitsu, Zanussi, Electrolux, TCL, Akira Supra air conditioners. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the AC modes. Each time you press this button, the AC switches to the next mode. This AC has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. We will explain the most used cooling mode. We press the mode button, and when the cursor stops in front of the word cool on the screen, the AC has switched to the cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the AC, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the AC temperature below 22 degrees Celsius can cause a cold. We use this button to raise the temperature and this button to lower it. With the help of speed button, we can change the fan speed of the AC. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. Sometimes when the air is very hot, we press the strong button to intensify the cooling. In strong mode, the AC fan speed is raised to the maximum, and after working in this mode for 15 minutes, it returns to the previous fan mode. The screen button is for turning the AC light on and off. The swing button is for moving the louvers up and down or stopping them in any position. Sleep button is to provide comfortable sleep mode. Let's say when lying in bed, we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode and press the sleep button. After the AC works for about 2 hours, the temperature will be automatically raised by 1 degree. After a few hours, it will be raised by 1 degree again. When the feeling button is pressed, the temperature is regulated via the remote, but the distance between the AC and the remote must be less than 7 meters. We press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is the drying mode. This mode is intended to reduce the amount of the humidity in the room. To switch to the heating mode, we press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word heat. In heating mode, we keep the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. In heating mode, it is more appropriate to select the fan speed as auto fan speed, because in this case, the fan speed will be regulated with the help of the microprocessor. The AC will reach its nominal power mode faster, and the frosting of the evaporator will only occur at temperatures near 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button, and when the cursor disappears, that is, when it is not visible, the mode will be selected. We press mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word fan. This is fan mode. The AC has one more mode. This is the auto mode. In auto mode, the temperature is regulated as 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. When the temperature is below 24 degrees Celsius, the AC works in heating mode. When it is above 24 degrees Celsius, it works in cooling mode. Now we press the mode button again and return to the cooling mode. There are secondary buttons of the bottom of the remote that are rarely used. The anti-fungus mode is used to prevent mold from forming on the evaporator. When this button is pressed, after the AC is turned off, the fan works for a while and removes the moisture on the evaporator. The dust mode is for starting the dust cleaning function. In cooling mode, when the health button is pressed, if your AC has an ionizer, it is activated, and at the same time, the AC temperature is raised to 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode. In heating mode, is it set to 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. In cooling mode, the clean button is activated while the air conditioner is in standby mode and intended for the air conditioner to clean itself. In this mode, the air conditioner works about 30 minutes. An ice layer forms on the evaporator, and when this layer is suddenly melted, the dirt on the evaporator is removed through the drain pipe along with the melting water. There is a timer button here. This button is for starting the AC at a certain time when it is in standby mode. For example, let's say we want our air conditioner to start after 10 hours in cooling mode. In this case, we press the timer button, set to 10 hours with the help of temperature buttons, and we press the timer button to confirm. Timer on text appears on the screen. The AC will be started automatically after 10 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer button again. Or if we want the air conditioner to be turned off after 5 hours while it is running, we press the timer button, set it to 5 hours with the help of the temperature buttons, and press the timer button for confirmation. Our air conditioner will be turned off after 5 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer button again. Thank you for watching us until the end.